All right, so it says find the product of its complex conjugate. So I'm going to have 3 plus the square root of 6 times I. Now the conjugate is the same. You just change the sign in between them. Right? Now this is always by default going to be a difference of squares. So the middle term cancels out, and you end up with the square of the first term and the second term. But I'm just going to write it out for you guys, so you see that. All right, so I get 9 here, and then this becomes 3 times the square root of 6i. This becomes negative 3 times the square root of 6i. Everybody see how I did that? Is there any confusion about multiplying by a radical? You can almost think of this and this when it comes to rules like x. It'd be like 3 plus x times 3 minus x. Okay? So you just treat it like a variable, although it isn't. And then when you multiply it together, I end up with negative square root 6i, all that squared. Right? Well, technically the I is squared. And the 6 is squared. Well, wait. I gotta be careful how I write this. That's not exactly how you could write it. So I've got a negative sign in the front. So this is like negative 1. So that's like negative 1. Times, what's the square root of 6 times the square root of 6? Huh? What's the square root of 6 times the square root of 6? Yeah, it's just 6. So I got a 6 here. Now what's I times I? Yeah, it's I squared, but good girl, it's negative 1. So now I've got this negative 1 here. Okay? So a negative 1 times a negative 1 is? Positive 1 times 6 is? 6. So I've got 9 plus 6, which is, or not 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. There it is. Boom.